Hello guys, you tabled Alcatel TKEE Max or TCL 8095. This version 3GB, 2GB memory and 32GB internal memory. Open box and look completion. This is tablet. Okay. In completion we have back cover in the green color, device and back cover in the green color, documentary, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. This Wi-Fi version with only slot for micro SD card. Okay, on the back side, camera, main camera 2 megapixels, front camera 2 megapixels, speakers, upside power key and home keys, and this side power key, on this side slot, headphones jack and USB Type-C port. 10-inch display, HD resolution. Look settings. Android 10 we have, IPS display, open Geekbench file to talk about system information. CPU speed 1.3 GHz, quad-core processor MediaTek 8167, GPU PowerVR. Single core score, multi-core score, okay, close this. And look under the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay. Onto the benchmark results, close this. And we can play GTA San Andreas on the low graphic level, and PUBG Mobile we can play only on the low graphic level. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.